You've been doing push-ups your whole life, and I'm going to tell you something uncomfortable. You've been wasting most of that effort. Not because you're lazy, because nobody ever taught you the right way. Your PE teacher showed you once in 6th grade, you ran with it, and now you've got thousands of reps of broken form locked into muscle memory. Today we fix that. 5 simple fixes, 6 minutes. Let's go. Here's the first thing killing your shoulders, and you don't even feel it yet. Most people flare their elbows straight out. Arms look like a T from above. Feels strong, feels natural. It's not. That position jams your upper arm bone directly into the front of your shoulder socket every single rep. Over time, rotator cuff damage, chronic pain. You think your shoulder just got old. No, you wore it out doing push-ups wrong. The fix is simple. Tuck your elbows to 45 degrees. From above, your body looks like an arrow, not a T. One adjustment, shoulders protected. And here's the bonus. You're actually stronger in this position. More reps, more chest activation, 0 downsides. This one is why your chest won't grow no matter how many push-ups you do. Watch anyone doing push-ups. Their shoulder blades are completely frozen, just locked in place the whole movement. That's the problem. Your chest muscle needs your shoulder blades to move to fully contract. No scapular movement equals no full squeeze equals every rep is a partial rep. You've been doing push-ups with the parking brake on. The fix. At the top of every rep, don't just lock out your elbows, push further. Spread your shoulder blades apart. Push the floor away until you feel your upper back round slightly. That extra 2 inches at the top, that's the part you've been skipping your entire life. That's where chest growth actually lives. Third problem, and this one steals energy on every single rep. Most people's push-up looks like a hammock. Hips sagging, lower back dipping, core just hanging there. When your core is loose, your pressing force leaks through your midsection instead of going into the floor. You're pushing against a wet noodle instead of a steel beam. The fix before you go down, squeeze your glutes. Brace your core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Tuck your hips slightly under. Your body should feel like a plank that's about to break a board. Lock the body, unlock the results. This one's gonna sting a little. 50 push-ups means nothing if every rep takes half a second. Drop with gravity, bounce off the floor, let momentum do the work. That's not training. That's just falling and catching yourself. This is why people hit huge rep numbers and still have a flat chest. Your muscles don't count reps, they count time under tension. The fix, 2 to 3 seconds down, 1 second pause at the bottom, 1 to 2 seconds back up. That's 1 real rep, 4 to 6 seconds total. 10 reps done like this will build more muscle than 50 fast ones, every time. Your ego wants the number, your chest wants the tension. Pick one. Last one, and this is the most important one in this entire video. At the bottom of most push-ups, the shoulders dump forward. The front of the shoulder collapses past the wrist, shoulder blades wing off the back, and the rotator cuff is holding load in a position it was never designed for. You can't feel this happening. No sharp pain, no warning, just a slow, invisible grind. Rep after rep, week after week, until one day you're sitting in a physical therapist's office wondering what went wrong. The fix. At the bottom, actively pull your shoulder blades together and down. Think shoulder blades into your back pockets, chest open, shoulders behind your hands, not dumped in front. 2 things happen. Your joint stays centered, shoulders protected, and your chest fires from a fully lengthened position. More growth, less damage. The other 4 fixes cost you results. This one, if you ignore it, costs you your shoulders. Here's the whole thing in 10 seconds. Hands just outside shoulders, arrow position, elbows at 45, squeeze glutes, brace core. Go down slow, 2 to 3 seconds. Shoulder blades back and down, chest 1 inch from floor, shoulders behind your hands. Pause. Push up, shoulder blades spread, upper back rounds slightly at the top. That's 1 rep. If you can only do 5 like this, good. 5 real reps beat 30 fake ones every time. The push-up is not a beginner exercise. It never was. It's a skill, and now you actually know how to do it. Try 1 rep right now with all 5 fixes. Then drop in the comments and tell me if it felt like the same exercise. It won't. Subscribe. Next video, I'm covering an exercise people butcher even worse than this one. See you there.